This is kind of cool.
15-year-old photographer makes toy cars look like life-size autos. Perspective or Photoshop?
Perspective.
Good.
This looks real, eh?
That's sick. That's really well done. Finding the right subject is a struggle for many photographers. That's why some get creative with what's available to them. This is a 15-year-old photographer by the name of Anthony Ryan Schmidt, and he's using his collection of vintage miniature cars and his iPhone to capture images that use forced perspective and fool the eye into thinking that tiny cars are the real thing. Yeah, it's a type of illusion.
Yeah, so, there's going to be some shots behind him, but, I mean, look at this. This looks amazing. You can kind of see how he turns, like, a miniature car into, like, a real-life full-size car.
He's got to get the gloves on because he doesn't want to get... His fingerprints will be way too big on there.
Yeah.
For it to be a real car. So in this case, he's created a secondary surface with a material very similar to the pavement in order to place the car at a height that would make sense if it were actually at this gas station. Retro. Look how cool that gas station is, by the way.
Yeah, very colorful.
Holy.
And this one here.
Oh, there you go. There's your behind the scenes of how you achieve it. He finds these retro locations to bring his retro cars. So they're not like the Matchbox or Hot Wheels size. They're a slightly bigger model.
Yeah.
Cool. Fire trucks. The boots and the bucket looking
too plastic.
Yeah.
Not enough detail.
But
the cars
look great.
detailed.
Yeah, the miniatures look great.
Race car.
I'm just wondering, he's wearing hearing protection.
Yeah, not too sure about that. I don't know. This one's a diner.
Look at those style of diners. You used to roll up and then an actual waiter came out to you. Like a drive-in.
Burger Master.
Cool.
Yeah, I thought this was kind of like a creative way of doing things.
Definitely.
Vintage cars.
He's saying don't let anything slow you down. You're like, I'll never start my career because I'll never get access to the things I want. And the guy's like, I'll just buy like a $20 model car.
Yeah.
And practice. And probably now with this article and stuff, people are going to get him the real classic cars, I bet. Somebody's going to hook him up with some.
Look at that. The reflections, too.
To come and photograph. Yeah, the water there looks good.
Very cool. This guy's creative.
Absolutely.
Good job.